Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. This is our English learning program. So grab your confidence in speaking English with me as your host. Exactly, of course, Riva Majid, and with my several friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi guys!
Hi.
So happy to have you again tonight. And yeah, we have a newcomer here. Okay, well, they will introduce themselves in a minute. But smart listener, tonight I will invite you to join our conversation because tonight we are going to talk about the special day of Pancasila Day today. Yes. But guys, please say hi to smart listener first and introduce yourself, please. From the first one, our long time ago friends, and just coming today. The first one, Mr. Herul. Hi, Mr. Herul.
Hi, smart listeners, and thank you for having me tonight.
Okay, well,
After a
and the
long
next,
time.
Yes, and the beautiful one.
Okay, hello listener. I'm Sally.
Okay.
Anything you want to know?
Okay, how was your day, Miss Sally?
It was great.
It was great. Thank you. And we have Achang. Hi, Achang.
Hi Kak, hi small listener. Okay, my name is Achang. Asik.
Okay. And Mr. Radius.
Yes.
Of course.
Hi, smart listeners. Hello.
And also the last but not least, Mr.
Hunter.
Oh, food. Please do not talk about food tonight, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I'm in the hungry condition.
Sometime. And good evening, smart listener. You know me, I'm Rifki.
Okay. There is 5 friends from BPEC Makassar because this is the collaboration program between Smart FM and also BPEC, of course. Please, someone from you who wants to introduce the your community, BPEC Makassar. What's BPEC Makassar?
I think Mr. Hero.
Okay, so yeah, as you know, everyone, BPEC is one of the greatest English community in Makassar, the biggest because we are the oldest English club in Makassar.
The biggest and the oldest.
Yes, biggest and the oldest because we have been exist since 1989. 86. Wow, I forgot the day it was born. Yeah, 35.
35.
Wow, 35. It's mature enough.
Yes.
If it's a human,
Is that the same years or old with you?
it's older than me.
Oh.
Yeah,
Older
of
than
course.
you. Well. So
Somebody wants to add an information about BPEC, please.
And also don't forget, if you want to know more details about BPEC, you can follow the Instagram at BPEC Makassar.
Okay, so do you guys have a weekly meeting maybe to improve your English skill or?
Actually, we already conduct in weekly meeting, but unfortunately, we moved to Benteng to in Secret BPC in Jipang Raya Street. And so, guys, I will invite you join with us because we have several activities such as ice breaking and small discussion, and we will conduct debate section. I really believe you can improve your speaking, even you can improve your confidence. And also we can learn about grammar in building skill, and I think that's all. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Achang, and thank you, guys. And yes, tonight, if you want to join also with BPEC Makassar, just follow their the official account of BPEC Makassar on Instagram at BPEC Makassar. And also, you can join our conversation tonight on just write down your comment on our YouTube channel. And yeah, you can join us through our WhatsApp in 0811461011. Well, smart listener, because this is the special day of Pancasila. So I want to ask, I'm curious to know about your day off today. What are you doing? Yeah, the whole day of this Pancasila day. Do you have how you celebrate or maybe commemorate the Pancasila's day one by one?
May I first?
Yes.
Honestly, today is so fun, so much fun because actually, even we are not realize that that today is a Pancasila day.
Yeah, I know. You realize this is the holiday.
yeah, definitely.
Only.
We are so much fun. We are spending our time together today. Half time, right? Because we went to party. Yeah, wedding party.
Wait. You are all day
Oh yeah.
doing activity together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
We went to a wedding party, one of BPEC committee in a few years ago. And today is how to say, yeah, his wedding day. That's
Happy
why
wedding.
that's why we gathered together and went to there.
who's the wedding, the groom or the
Mr. Chida.
Mr. Chidal, Shahidal.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Shahidal.
Hi,
Happy
Shidal, if you watch.
Sama ya.
Happy wedding.
Happily ever after. So next, okay, yes, you have a great day together. You do so many activity together for today.
Yeah.
Very special day, yeah. So what about you, Achang? What's activity? Please another activity than your activity. Together. So
Okay, so actually I spending in my time with my family. They from the village, and I with they to how to say, spending time going to how to say, jalan-jalan. Yeah, refreshing in Makassar. But after that, I going to with a big family in BPC and wedding party.
attend the
in-
invitation. Okay.
Kak Cidal.
Okay.
I think that's
So are you roll with them, or you just do yourself?
I joined them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I joined them because
You join us or you meet Mr. Chida, actually?
what I mean, I joined you to attend Mr. Sidal's wedding. Yeah.
Yes.
It's great.
Okay. Are you too, Mister?
And the rest, okay. In the morning, I just signing the in Kodam. And after that, in the middle day, we join to our wedding, Mr. Chiral, and you know, love of food and so hungry.
Okay. Do you have a gift for him? Do you send or give a how to say present for him, or you just come to eat?
Actually, I just come to it.
Oh. You do not congratulate him?
I just say shake your hand and thank you
Oh yeah.
for you inviting me.
Invitation. Well, so I think it's a great day. It's a happy day. So with you too, Miss Sally. So happy to see you tonight. And I want to ask you, especially for today, Pancasila days. Yes, so many activity and so many, how to say, ceremonial. But you celebrate another big day. I think. But from you, on your point of view, on your insight, what's actually the Pancasila's day mean for you? For Miss Sally,
Okay.
first. Ladies first.
Pancasila means Pancasila Day for me. Actually, I'm quite confused because since we finished from the high school, we never read the Pancasila anymore.
Oh yes.
I think if we want to watch the Pancasila in Pancasila ceremony in TV, maybe you can have the vibe. You can have the vibe of Pancasila ceremony like that. But since you finished from the high school, you never hear about. You never hear Pancasila anymore, except you want to watch in the ceremony in the TV.
Yes.
So I don't think I have a special ceremony for Pancasila, unless when I am. How to say hi? I open the social media and then I see, oh, happy Pancasila Day. But yeah, I don't really think I have a ceremony Pancasila Day.
But did you make a post too in the social media to celebrate?
Not really.
Oh
no.
yes.
But I just
Me
read
too.
it. Today I as a employee, it's a free day off day, and I love off day, so I spend it for sleep. Take a rest after work. And afternoon we have invitation from Mr. Chido, so attending the invitation. It was fun, but
Yes.
yeah, I don't really think it's.
Do you still memorize the Pancasila, the 5?
Of course.
Oh yeah, of course.
Really?
So in the next session,
If you don't remember, you'll get bullied.
well, in the next segment, we will reading a lot. How to say the item of Pancasila. So don't go anywhere, smart listener.